Hey there, I am Kunal and you are watching our channel Caution Developers. So today I am just going to show you how to use a smart lock on your device. So let's get started. So it is my device and it's Android Marshmallow. It runs on Android Marshmallow and I have an inbuilt feature of the smart lock. I think this features is available on Android Lollipop, Marshmallow and Nougat. I think there is no features in KitKat, whatever. If you are a KitKat user or a Jelly Bean user, you can also download this app. Not this app, I mean you can download the app of Screen Lock or Face Lock from your Play Store. Okay, so it is my phone and it runs on Marshmallow. So what you have to do, just simple tips. You have to go to the settings. Yes, it's settings, and then go to the let me make my brightness a little quiet. I think it's good now. Then you have to go to the lock screen. If you are a stock Android user, I think there will not be a different option on the main page named lock screen. I think it will be on this security option. Yes, that's a security option, but I am not a stock Android user, so I have a different option on this page, this lock screen. I'm just clicking on this option and a window will come. Here are some options like screen lock, make button visible, blah blah blah, but here is the third option, smart lock. So it is a good feature and I'm just clicking out. Okay, so it needs your pattern, or if you are using PIN code or password, you have to enter that. I just going my pattern. Okay, after giving pattern, a window will come. What is smart lock and some paragraph, but don't want to read this. I'm just going to got it. Okay, now another window will come, and here are about 5 options. First is onboard rejection, trusted place, trusted devices, trusted face, and trusted voice. So here are many options, but I think trusted face will be the best to use. So I'm just clicking out the trusted face. Yeah, that's it. Let me show. I have already using this, so I am removing the trusted face. Okay, so now it's cleared. Okay, after clicking on trusted face, window will come and it will say add the trusted face and some another thing to do, and I am just clicking on setup. So I am clicking on next. So a camera will be open, the front camera here, and just give your face here. Okay, let me zoom it quite big. Just make a face. Come on, buddy, smile. And now it's done. Done. So just click on next. Yes, and all set. Yes. Okay, so it's done. Okay, and now the trusted face is active. So let me show. It is my device. So it is my device, and as you can see, it is locked with pattern. Okay, I can't open it without pattern. Okay, but I have activated my trusted face. So look, there is a lock. I think. Okay, let me zoom in on that. Come on, man, take the zoom. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let me do it again. So as you can see, it is a option, and look, there is a lock and it's locked icon, and I'm just giving the face. Hey bro, look at. Okay, I have to do it again. I don't know what. Okay, now after few moments, look, the icon has been unlocked. So do you remember that I have a pattern? But now the pattern doesn't need. So do it again. It's because the pattern. Okay, interface. Okay. Now it's done. Now you can use it, or if you don't like that, so go to the settings and just remove the trusted face, or you can also block it for a temporary time by clicking this option. Done. Just clicking the option, it's locked. But if you want to apply this again, just unlock your device and it will be ready. So this is the trusted face. So I will also show you for the stock Android device, and it's done. Now I'm going to show you how can I use it on a stock Android phone. So I'm pausing this video. So it's a stock Android device, and I am also using a trusted face on this device. So what I have to do, and look, here is also a pattern lock, simple pattern. What is pattern? Oops. Yeah. Now, so what you have to do if you are using a stock Android device, nothing. Just you have to go to the settings. Yes, settings. And after that a window will come, and here are many options. But as I told that there is not a different option named screen lock in stock Android. But there is the option named security. So I'm just clicking on this option, and look, there is option of smart lock. This smart lock, and just clicking, and it needs your pattern to verify. Done. And there is same thing, what is smart lock, blah blah blah. Click on got it, and there are also 5 options. Click on trusted face, and then you have to make setup by clicking on it, setup, and for best results, the instructions. I'm just clicking on next, and the camera will open. Okay, it's done, and just click on next, and just finished. Damn. So this lock is activated, and just test this. Click on this power button. Look, here is a pattern, and I'm just holding this device in front of my face, and look, is unlocked. So this is how it works. It is the best thing according to me. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed, just click like and don't forget to subscribe our page. So thank you.